Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's assume that you are working as a DevOps engineer for Flipkart. You have already implemented a perfect CI/CD pipeline. So developers write their code and push the changes to the repository. So code will be checked out in Jenkins for build. Once the code is built, it will be tested and it will be deployed automatically. So it is a simple CI/CD workflow. So this happens every week for new features and bug fixes. So it is going into live smoothly without any downtime. Now one day, management asked, why can't we also recommend products to the users like how Amazon does, YouTube does? So we can put some pop-up or recommendation to the users, something like you may also like this video, or you may also like this product, or you frequently bought this product, or you can add additional products, you may need it. So now this is not just a normal feature deployment like DevOps do. Because for that, the system needs to learn from user data, train machine learning models, and then serve those recommendations. So this is where MLOps comes in. So these are the topics I'm going to cover throughout this video. I will start with what is DevOps in simple terms and why DevOps is not enough for ML use cases. And also I will explain what is MLOps in a real world example. Also, side by side, I will explain DevOps versus MLOps. And also, I will give you some real world examples of Amazon, YouTube, Netflix, Zomato, and Flipkart. Finally, we will have a key takeaway for beginners. Before we move on, if you are new to my channel, my name is Selva. I have already uploaded a lot of videos related to DevOps and cloud, specifically on Git, Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Terraform, and many more. If you are interested in learning and want more knowledgeable content, make sure to subscribe. Hit the nearby bell icon to not miss any upcoming videos. What is DevOps? Friends, DevOps is the combination of development plus operation. So developers write the code, we DevOps engineer automate the build, test, deploy, and monitor the process. So that is a simple terms of DevOps. So why DevOps is not enough for ML use cases? Now here is a challenge. Let's say Flipkart or Amazon wants to recommend the products like you have bought this product frequently. You may also like this product or you have watched this video before. So this is not a normal code change anymore. Because to do this, the system needs to understand the data from the users and their interest, search, clicks, past orders. So the machine learning model can train on this data and this will have the ability to keep learning as new data comes in. That is where ML, that is machine learning, comes in. Okay, now what is MLOps? Just like developers gives us the application code, ML engineers or data scientists will give us the machine learning models. We DevOps engineers don't build models, okay? That is their job of ML engineers or data scientists. Our job is to deploy the ML model to the production and automate retraining when new data arrives and monitoring the model performance. Is it still giving accurate recommendations or not? And scale it for millions of users if there is a demand. Let's compare DevOps, MLOps side by side. Okay. On DevOps, developers write application codes and DevOps automates the build, deployment, and monitoring. On the other end, we have the MLOps, where data scientists or ML engineers will build machine learning models and MLOps automates training, deploying, monitoring ML models. So DevOps runs your application, MLOps make your applications intelligent. This is the big difference of DevOps and MLOps. Let me tell you real world examples of few applications. Amazon and Flipkart will give you the product recommendations and YouTube will give you the video recommendations and Netflix will give you the movie or series suggestions and Zomato or Swiggy will give you the food recommendations. In all of these, MLOps ensure models are trained, deployed, retrained and monitored just like we do CI/CD for the applications. Then finally, key takeaways for beginners. As DevOps engineer, we don't need to become a data scientist. But if you have the interest, nobody would stop you. But we need to know how to deploy machine learning models, monitor them, and integrate with CI/CD. That is MLOps in simple terms. So friends, that's all for this video. Hope you have got an idea about DevOps and MLOps. If you found this video useful, please hit like button and hype me more. Share it with your friends and groups who are looking for it. And if you have any doubts or if you want me to make video on specific topic, please let me know through comments. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and have fun.